Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Natasha Agrawal, one of the organizing committee member of the International Development Faculty Program organized by UPSIFS Lucknow in an online mode. The theme of the second International Development Faculty Program was on new age cybersecurity, data protection and cybercrimes. We recently completed our second IFDP and we are very elated to have received very positive response from our participants. Today, we have with us one of the participants who has attended our second faculty development program. Sir, I would like to request you to please introduce yourself.
Namaskar, ma'am. My name is Dr. Parikshit Sirohi. I am Assistant Professor Selection Grade in Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. And I've attended the IFTP 2026, which was organized by UPSIFS in January 26.
Right, sir, right. Sir, I would like to know from where did you learn about that we are organizing such an event?
Actually, ma'am, got to know from social media, one of the WhatsApp groups, and then also one of our faculty colleagues had posted in our faculty group. And since it was of interest to me, the topic, so I decided that, I will like to pursue the.
Wonderful, wonderful, sir. So, sir, I would like to know what all you liked about our international faculty development program.
So first of all, actually, I attended so many of these programs over the last 12, 13 years teaching. So this was unique in many ways, actually, because one was this integrated approach. You have three different schools in UPSIFS, and you had in every on every day of every those 6 days, you had organized one lecture on related to one of those schools, whether it was data security, whether it was forensics, so or whether it was drones, artificial intelligence. So that is something which I thought was of great use not only to people from law or forensic science, but all the different academic disciplines. So I really got a lot of knowledge. But here, outstanding. All the speakers used to be outstanding. It is very difficult to name. If I were to name, I mean, then there are 17, 18 people who are very, very good, whether they are from academia or practice or industry or experts from the drone industry. So that is what I really enjoyed.
Right, sir. Right. I cannot tell you how good it feels, because this is the ultimate aim of our director, sir, our founding director. He is always very clear that Natasha, and to all of us, he has always instructed that, each and every participant should get the best and nothing less than the best. And that should come with the interdisciplinary approach. And that is what UPSIFS is committed also, that every participant should get enriched with the multidisciplinary approach, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, friends. Myself, Hemendra Ta, and I am working as an assistant professor at Indrashil University, Mehsana, Gujarat. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. The IFDP program is very much popular nowadays because it is consistently it is done by UPSIFS by the second time.
So, sir, I would like to know what did you like in our faculty development program?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, for that, it can be said that it is the complete full-fledged program done by the UPSIFS, that through which what are the new aspects of the forensic science and cybersecurity in the field in the current scenario. Because the UPSIFS used to select the experts to deliver the lecture in such a category and such an organized manner. So, and field experts, mind blowing, and they used to deliver the lecture in a very tuned manner through which each and every aspect of the program and the topics used to be covered by that, and which is the interesting part of the IFDP.
This has actually been the USP, that we take experts, and we are blessed to have experts from all the disciplines, whether it is integration of law with cyber security as well as in the forensic science. So,
yes, exactly.
Sir, last question is that what suggestion you would like to give us to improve our standards of faculty development program?
Ma'am, for that, I used to say the founding director, Dr. Goswami sir, that please used to continue the series of the IFDP in the upcoming years also, through which each and every participants or each and every person belong to the field used to take the advantage of the IFDP and be blessed with the experts guidance.
Right.
So it's my personal suggestion that please use to continue the whole program by the decades.
Right, sir. Absolutely. You know, feedbacks like this actually encourage us to continue, and we will surely, and actually, we are coming up with the third version very soon, and you will come to know about it. Thank you so much for your time and your valuable feedback, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.